What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have here this Honda Civic 2016 Platinum Edition. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace what is the front brake pads and rotors. Let me just show you the spare parts that I bought in brockauto.com. So we have these front rotors. So this is premium rotors, electrostatic coated on the edges, so this is to avoid rust. And right here we have ceramic brake pads from Brembo. Here we have the reference P28035N. Let's see how do they come. The brake pads are sliders, and here we have our brake pad. You see, so this is the wear indicator that you see right here. So basically when it makes contact with the disc, it's going to create like a noise. That noise will indicate you that it's time to switch your brake pad. So alright, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is gonna remove the caliper. To do so, we're gonna take off this bolt right here and this one down below here. So this is a nut number 12. Alright, so I'm gonna take off the caliper. So I'm gonna turn the steering wheel facing this way. Alright, so we're gonna take off these springs right here and these other ones right here. This is like a B-shaped spring to avoid the brake pad dragging with the disc when it's idling. But this keeps the brake pads with a gap between the rotors and the brake pads when you're not pressing the brakes. I'm gonna take off the brake pads. We have what is the caliper bracket. So I'm gonna take off the caliper bracket. I'm gonna take this bolt right here and this one right here. This will be a nut number 17. And here we go. You can take off the caliper bracket. Right now I'm gonna take off the rotor. So let's take our Durango rotors. Let's put back on what is the caliper bracket. I'm gonna put the new sliders. Here. So now I'm gonna put the new Brembo brake pads. This one, I'm gonna put the inner one. So we have this lubricant, comes with the Brembo brake pads. So we're gonna put just a little bit in the edge. That's it. And right here in the lower edge. So now I'm gonna take the other brake pad. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease, as you see, and right here. So I'm gonna put the brake pad in its place right here, and that's it. I'm gonna put back the springs, the B-shaped springs. I just put it in these tiny holes. The Brembo brake pads comes with these tiny holes also. So now I'm gonna put back the caliper, but first I have to put the piston all the way back in. So I'm gonna use the C-press. Alright, so now the piston is all the way back in and I can put back the caliper in its place. Here down below is the second one. That's it. So these bolts are not supposed to be too tight. So we're good to go. Alright guys, now we have new rotors and brake pads. All you have to do now is put back the wheel and do the same thing for the other side of the car. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.